In this video I will compare the traditional method of rinsing fruits and vegetables with the convenience of using the PuriBreeze produce cleaner. When you look at the trade-offs, standard tap water is free, but it often struggles to remove more than just surface-level dust and visible soil. PuriBreeze steps in as a dedicated solution, offering a specialized process that feels much more thorough than a quick sink rinse. The standout feature here is its ability to handle complex surfaces, like the folds in leafy greens or the rough skin of broccoli, where dirt and environmental contaminants tend to hide. While a tap rinse is fast, this device offers a structured routine that supports better food hygiene, especially for produce that is passed through multiple hands in storage facilities before reaching your kitchen. It is designed to remove unwanted particles and residues that water alone might miss. Whether you are cleaning soft berries or firm root vegetables, the contrast in results is noticeable. For busy households and meal preppers, the convenience of a dedicated tool beats the guesswork of scrubbing by hand. It really comes down to whether you want a basic rinse or a deep clean that ensures your raw salads and snacks are as prepared as possible. The device is portable and rechargeable, making it a modern upgrade for any health-conscious kitchen routine. It serves as a practical alternative for those who want to move beyond the limitations of the kitchen faucet. If you are serious about your food hygiene, this is a clear winner. Thanks for watching my review of the PuriBreeze. If you found this comparison helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more kitchen tech breakdowns. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about how it works.